Well, what's going on, everybody? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I hope that you are doing well. I am better, and so I thought, what better way to celebrate that than doing a video because I miss y'all so much. So I just wanted to show y'all how things are going in the grow room. Y'all got these Hidden Harvest grow lights, full spectrum lights. Man, they doing they thing. Okay, I absolutely love these lights. I think they are just really performing well. This Tiny Tim tomato plant, y'all, is looking great. I mean, really, really great. Y'all like my little Dollar Tree trash can? Yeah, I just used that Dollar Tree trash can, y'all, to put this little Tiny Tim tomato. I mean, he looked real good. He looked real good. Got some blooms about to come out. That means we're gonna have some fruit soon. And I got some other things going on, but I haven't really done a lot. As most of you all know, I've been under the weather for about 3 weeks, and better, but not 100%, but better. And I'm excited about that. Oh, I done peeped. What's that? Okay, this is a good sign. So this is my citrus Meyer lemon tree cutting, and it looks like we got some new growth right there in the middle. Do y'all see that? I hadn't seen that before, so that's cool. I repotted this. I put it just in a bigger container, nothing special, but it has roots on it, and it looked great. I just wanted to get it out of the cup that it was in. Here's some black cherry tomatoes, seeds that I had on the counter or like on a shelf somewhere and forgot they were there. And so I figured they would be okay, but I was like, let's just give it a go. So I dumped all the seeds in the cup and boom, look at all those plants I got. So got the black cherries. I got some basil going on here. This cup has different seeds in it because I accidentally spilled some other seeds in it, probably other herbs, oregano, and maybe some sage seeds in there, but mostly basil is what I see. Got some peppers going on, some poinsettia peppers. Got some here, and then I separated. I put one seedling in there, one seedling of the black cherry tomato plant. And then my herbs are like real slow, y'all. And I've had a lot of casualties, okay? A lot of casualties, but here's some oregano, got some sage here, some more basil there. Sage here is starting to get its true leaves, but these plants are so slow to grow. Herbs are slow. But, you know, everything is looking good. I started thinking I was going to plant everything. So I ended up watering both of these just to get the soil wet. And decided, nope, I'm not going to use both of them yet. So this is watered with no seeds sown yet. But this one has this row of marigolds. So I did plant some marigolds. And I just came down here today to check on them to see what they were looking like. And I got some germination. Y'all see that? Right there, and on down a little bit. They popping up here and there. I don't know if y'all can see them. It's so hard to see them. But so next week, no, let's see. This week, I'm gonna sow this side of marigolds. And then I haven't decided if I want to go marigold again because I have tons of seeds, y'all. Tons. Sorry for the lighting, but tons of French dwarf double mixed marigolds. I have a bunch of seeds. This ain't even all of them. This is what I bought downstairs. So I'm just like, man, I don't know if I want all these to be flowers, all of them to be marigolds or not. Now I have some other flower varieties I want to sell this season. Zinnias is one of those, sunflowers, but I'm gonna wait on those. I have seed tape that I want to try this year. I've never used seed tape before. So wildflowers are in that seed tape, zinnias and some other things, cosmos, I think. And then the sunflowers, I think I'm just gonna wait about another 2 weeks before I sow those. I might wait to mid-March actually to sow those. But I'm just moving along slowly. I haven't got my winter sowing out yet, but that's okay because there's still time. And I just been down, y'all. I've been down. So thank y'all for being patient with me, and just sticking around and waiting for me and praying for me and sending good vibes. I'm just so grateful for that. But yeah, this is all I got going on right now. But I'm really excited, about what's to come, and hopefully I can get my winter sowing out. The jugs I have 10 containers, 10 plastic containers that are prepped. I just have not filled them with soil and sowed seeds yet. So I'm hoping to do that. And I want to try to direct sow a lot of my co-crops this year. So a lot of my brassicas, lettuces, and things like that. I really want to direct sow and see how that goes. Last year I had plants. I did my winter sowing. So I planted everything from those winter sowing containers, but this year I want to direct sow a lot of my like arugulas and salad mixes and things like that, and see how that goes for me. But yeah, this is it. So thank you all so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll talk at y'all later. Bye.